This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, friends. In this VM Master program, in today's session, we will talk about Dataflow's prerequisite SQL joins. So SQL joins is very, very important in order to go further. Okay. So you need to have basic understanding on the SQL. Once you have some understanding on SQL, we can able to go and do the data flow transformation. We can able to use. Okay. Okay. So in today we will understand what is SQL important keywords, create table in SQL, select statement, where condition, SQL end, or and not operator, group by query, partition by query, difference between group by query and partition by query, order by query. So then we'll talk about inner join, left join, right join, full join, cross join. So today's session is very, very, very important. If you are not able to understand today's session, so data flows you can forget. Got it? So if you're not able to understand today's session, data flows you can forget. So now, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. We already discussed. We have a database, we have a server. In database, we will have what? In database, what we will have? In database, we'll have the data. So to query the data that is there in the database, we need to ask the server. So server knows which language? SQL. So SQL is what? SQL is a language. So what you are saying structured, okay? Because in the database, whatever data you have, that is a structured data. Okay, structured data, if you want to search, okay, if you want to search, you are going to use this language. That's why structured query language. Structured means structured data you are going to search, you are going to query. Query means what? You are just whatever you want to search, you are going to search it. Okay. So structured data you are basically querying using which language? SQL. So that's why this language name itself SQL, structured query language. Structured data we are going to query to query the data, structured data. Which language we are using? Structured query language. So shortcut is SQL. Next, SQL lets you access and manipulate databases. So this particular query language not only accessing the data, it will also allow you to make modifications in the table. Like you can delete the data, you can add a new data, you can add a new column. You can do anything using the structured query language. Next, SQL is a special purpose programming language designed to handle data in relational database management system. What is relational database management system? Anybody have any idea what is relational database management system?
This is a system where different tables are related to each other. They are connected based on some keys.
Okay, very good. So first important thing is the tables are connected based on some keys. Okay, why you need to connect a table? Any idea? Why you need to connect a multiple tables? What is the use of connecting multiple tables? Why you need to maintain data in multiple tables, not in a single table?
Because this is hard to put all the data in a single table, so we have to define or bifurcate the data in different.
Okay, let's take an example of customer details. Okay, customer ID, customer name, customer phone number, okay, customer joined date. Okay, all these are there. So let's say phone number is, I'm just generating my number, but let's imagine generally there are different numbers are there for the customers. Okay, next date also I'm giving some date. Okay, now let's say customer Rama has purchased a product ID, product ID, product name, product price. Product price is 1,000 rupees, something like this. Okay, triple two mobile. Two thousand, 3,000, 4,000. Okay. Now one Rama. Okay, one Rama purchased these two products also. Okay. Four Venkat has purchased these three items. What you observed here? What you observed here?
recipe name and product thing repeatedly you are using. The value is about
Repetition of records are there.
The main problem is repetition of data. Lot of data unnecessarily you are repeating, which causes two issues. One is managing the data will be very difficult. Second one is the data volume will increase drastically. You need to make a lot, like the charges will be more because the data volume will increase automatically. Is there any efficient way to organize this data? Yes. What you can do, you create all unique records in a customer table. Okay, unique records in a customer table. You create a unique records in a product table. Getting? So unique records, put it in a customer table, unique products, put it in a product table. Now, unique records. Where I have my unique record. So I know these four are the unique customers I have. So let me keep it here. I know these are the unique four products I have. Let me just keep it here. Okay. Let's say tomorrow there is a transaction happened. Okay. So I'll create one more transaction table. In this transaction, what happened is CID 1 purchased a product ID, a PID 111. Okay, maybe order date. We will maintain order date just to understand when he has made the payment, like when he has purchased something like this today. Same customer 1 again purchased 222. Customer 1 purchased again 111. Customer 2 purchased 111. Customer 3 purchased of 111. Now what you observed here, customer details 3 times repeated, but you are not repeating all the data. Here same 111 product, many customers purchased 111 product, but all the details about the product you are not maintaining. You are just maintaining the relation which customer purchased which product and which date. Cleared all of you? How many of you understood? How many of you understood this one? Now the question is, very simple. Now the question is, how I will know who is this customer ID 1? I want to know the name of this customer. and when he has joined, in which location he is there currently. So I just wanted to understand how I will come to know about that customer ID 1. At least I don't want everything, but at least I need 1, 2, 3. So these 3 customers has placed a order. I want to know 1, 2, 3. Who is the 2? Who is the 3? Who is the 1? How I will know who is the customer ID 1? What's his name? In which location he's staying? What is his phone number? When he joined in the system? All those things I want to know. How to get it?
To join table.
Yes, you need to join. Okay, join means what happens? There is a 1 year, there is a 1 year, so it is matching. Now what happens when you join? So when you joined based on the customer ID, ID is matching. So now what happens? This entire record will come here. It's matching, right? Matching means it will come like this. Okay, so 2 is matching, right? So 2 and the ID 2 is matching, so entire record will come and sit it like this. So 3 is matching here, so it will come and sit it like this. So if all the records, only if you are taking the matching records from left and the right side, so what type of join it is? Anybody have any idea?
Inner join.
Inner join. Okay, let me show you. So if you look at here, see here. So what is this? This is basically a common area between the circle A and the circle B, meaning table A and the table B, common area. So meaning common data between 2 tables. If you have taken that type of join is called what? Inner join. Okay, next. So common area plus all the remaining records from the left table if you have taken, what type of join it is? Left join. Okay, so example, very simple example, I can give it to you. Let's say see here, I have a left table customer ID 1, 2, 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there is a right table that is right CID, right table CID. The left side, this one is left table CID. This is right side CID. Here I'll have 1, 3, 7. Okay, now when I do a inner join, what happens is common data. You see here, common means common between the both the tables. You see here, 1 is there here, 1 is there here. So in inner join, 1 will be the result. 2 here is there, but 2 is not there, so it will not come. 3 is there, 3 is there, so 3 will come. So in inner join, only these 2 records will come. 4 is not there, 5 is not there in the second table. Next, left join. Left join means, remember always the already matching records. 1 and 3 already matched, you take it. Plus along with that, 1 and 3 already you have taken. So it's a left join means what are the remaining records in the left table? 2, 4, 5. Got it? See this 1 and this 3 already we copied. Now what are the remaining records? 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5 are the remaining records in left table. Clear to all of you? Next, what about right join? Right join means 1 and 3 are the common records.
Plus
And
7.
what will come? What will come? Remaining record is 7. So 1 and 3 already you have matched, only 7 will come. Next, full join. Full join means what happens?
All the
1 and
numbers.
matching, remaining records from the left table are 2, 4, 5. Remaining records from the right side is 7. So total in this you will get 1, 3, 2, 4, 5 and 7. So here you are getting, what is the result you are getting? 1, 3, 7. Here what you are getting? 1, 3, 2, 4, 5. Here what you are getting? 1, 3. Clear? How many of you not clear? See, frankly tell me, I will help you to understand these things. If you are simply not able to speak out now, you will not learn this join anywhere. Joins, see, doesn't matter you are taking Azure training, AWS training, whatever you take, doesn't matter. It's very, very important to understand. Okay. Okay. So please respond. Everybody, please respond. So I'll just let
Malaya?
yeah.
Yeah, Santosh here. So I understood the concept of join, but
Mhm.
in which situation we will use which join, like for reporting or ETL, that I get a lot of confusion.
So that is basically simple example I will give it to you. Okay.
Okay.
Let's say source data you are getting.
Okay.
How I need to say is, let's say one Rama, okay, one Rama, Bangalore, one Krishna, Chennai. So these two people, two Krishna, Chennai. So these two people went to the bank and they registered, they opened the bank account. Okay. These details are saved in the target. So these are the first day one data. Yes, this is there. So second day, one Rama, Bangalore. Sorry. So instead of Bangalore, he moved from Bangalore to Hyderabad. So record is updated. There is a third record, Sai from Pune. So there is one more record, Sai Pune. So all these people are opening the accounts in online. So now 1, 2 are there yesterday, 1 and 3 is there today. So now what you need to do, you need to check which record is updated, which records are new record. So how you will know which record is updated? When you do a inner join, if the ID is matching, so 1 and 1 again is matching, meaning if the record is matched means what you understand, it's a updated record.
Yeah.
Okay. What about left join? Here left join means what?
All
Left
records
join,
from left table.
you will get a 1 and a
Oh,
1 and a 2 you will
2.
get. One is the common, so 1 is the common, 2 is the only record which is available left, you will get it. So
Oh,
there is a way how you can able to filter out. You can just take out 1 and you can consider only 2 in the left join. Okay, you can consider only inner join if you do like left join. What if you do the result I'm writing now, result will be like this. Okay, next.
okay.
This is the result when you do a left join. Why? Because this is the one is match record, so left side data will be there, right side data will be there, but 2 is only there at the right side, so left side. So right side data will be shown as a null. So what you need to do now? What you need to do now? Now you will filter out saying that, hey, where right CID column is null, give me only that record. You will filter out after join. You will filter out saying that right CID column is null, only give me that result. So in that case, it will give you only this record. Then you will select only two left side columns. So somehow you will get only the second record. So when you get only second record after applying left join with filter and all, you will get only which record? Let me keep it like this. And after that, you will apply some kind of a filter and all. And finally, you will get only record 2. Record 2 means what you understand by getting only record 2? Old record or unchanged record. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Now let's say
Got it.
similar, I need to get third record which is completely new. So what you will do? You will do a right join. It's a 1 plus 1 is a common, 3 is the remaining records in the right table. You'll get it. Now you need to apply filter here. Okay, when you apply again a filter, which record you'll get? Only 3. So when you get 3, what you understand? Updated record. So you will update. So that's why you may need to use inner join, left join, right join, all this. It's clear? Okay, clear the scenario
Yeah.
real time how we are going to use these joins. Next, okay, Kurva Mahesh. Except from him, I did not get any response from any other. Okay, fine. Mahesh, can you tell me what you did not understand? Just to tell me what you are understanding, then I'll take you from there.
So inner joinings and okay,
Speak little bit loud.
inner joining and left joining and there, sir.
Inner join.
And left and right, two joinings. This concept is I am not understood.
No, you are not clear means where exactly you got stuck. You did not get it all. What is inner join? What you understood by theoretically? What is inner join you understood?
Actually, one customer buying one product today, the same customer another buying another product from next tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It will matching the customer ID. It's a unique number customer ID. One customer is having unique ID, right? So it's automatically yesterday product is going that unique ID. Joining this. It is
Here you see here. So don't think too much. So there is a order IDs, customer IDs. Here customer names are there. Now we want to know which customer has placed this order ID. What is this customer ID name? Okay, what is the customer name for customer ID 2? Okay, so whom I need to contact for this customer, from which country that customer belongs to. So I have this table, I have this table. Now when you do now let's say when I do a inner join, how many, so what records will be written in the output? Only Mahesh. Inner join means what?
Yes. Anna Prozilo that records number 2 record customer ID second.
Inner join means what? I'm asking you.
Yes, sir. Inner join means customer ID 2 is the NASA. It's matching to customer ID 2.
So match your records if you are taking, that is a inner join. Okay.
Yes. Match
Inner join is nothing but a match your records output is nothing but inner join. Common records from both the tables it will take. So 2 is here, 2 is here. So the customer ID 2 is match record. So in your result you will get only 2.
Okay.
In your result you will get what? Only you will get a result of. Got it? So
Yes,
in your result it will be something like this. Let me show you. So when you apply inner join, it will be something like this. So this side, this is matching. So take all these question columns. So this will be the result of the inner join. This will be the result of what? Inner join. Clear? So let's say what will be the result if I apply left join, Mahesh?
Left to number 3, sir. Customer ID number 2. Antonio.
Customer ID number 2. This is the inner join. Okay.
Yes.
So whenever you talk about any other join, inner join result plus left join means remaining records from the left table. So remaining records from left table is 37, 77. So this will be your left join. So what about right table columns? It will be shown as a null because there is no matching record. There is no matching record. It will be shown as a null, 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 and a null. Clear?
Yes.
Now, what about right join? Right join means again, so inner join, that is a common data plus. Tell me, right join means? Right join means what, Mahesh?
The units.
Theoretically, you tell me. Don't tell the answer. Theoretically, what is meant by right join? Common records plus all remaining records from right table. Remaining records from right table is what 2 and 3. 2 is already matched. 1 and 3 are the remaining records. 1 here, 3 will come here. So what about this? This is a null.
Null.
So this is null. Clear to all of you?
Yes, yes.
So this is inner join. So this is a left join. Left join means matching records plus remaining records from the left table. Remaining records are these. Right join means common data plus remaining records from the right table. What about full join? Full join means, so full join means remaining, so common data from both the tables, okay, plus remaining records from the left table, that is nothing but this, okay, plus remaining records from the right table. So remaining records from right table is 1 and 3. So like this, see. So common data will be there. Only records available in left table will be there. Right side will be shown as a null. Only records available in the right side will be there. For left columns, it will be
Null.
Mahesh, go mute. There is a disturbance. So got it, everybody? Mahesh, you understood, right?
Got it.
If anybody is not able to understand, if anybody is not clear, if you tell me, I can help you. How will the database decide which table is left, which table is right? So based on the query that you are writing. So when you are writing the query, first table is the left table. So suppose in the like first table, in Dataflows it will be very easy. In Dataflows it will be very easy. It will tell you, tell me the left table, tell me the right table. It will tell you. But in SQL and all, you will write joins like this: select star from first table, inner join with the maybe transaction table. Okay, but we never do a join with the transaction table. Just I'm showing you. Select star from first, inner join with the trans. Which is the left table in this? First is the left table, trans is the right table. Okay, first table will be the left table. Okay, now first table is the left table. So on first table CID should match with the trans table CID. Something like this, we need to write the query. So select, SQL join query also same. Select star from first, inner join with the transaction table on which condition? On condition is customer table CID should match with the transaction table CLD. If you want left join, put left join here. If you want right join, you put right join here. If you want full join, you put full join here. That's all, simple. So code will not change. Okay. Okay, SQL query also we can write like this. Got it, Prasad Reddy? How we will decide which table is left, which table is right? Narsimha, is it's clear? See, I am telling you for you only. See, this is not a only training program for us. I'm saying this is the generic. You go anywhere, your So many people will learn SQL separately. So in SQL you go, they will teach 1 week or 2 weeks the same concept. They'll simply take n number of example and they'll say like this, like that. So now I am asking you, if you're not clear on something, I will explain. Tell me, joins, everybody's clear? Okay, so final call. Any doubts on the joins?
Malay, I have a question. So suppose we have 4 tables, okay? And I am doing table 1, inner join table 2, left join table 3, and left join table 4 in a single query. So can you explain that using an example, how it will execute internally?
Execution you are asking, or you want to query,
Both
or
execution and result, both.
see first, so basically you are experienced. Remaining people don't worry because you no need to worry too much about it. Inner join, left join, and left join, right? So
Yes.
inner join between A and B table, what will be the result? Common data. Okay. So when you do a left join between this common data, so you are not doing within a same query, but left join means that result plus C will come. So in this case, what happens is common data and C you have. Left join means what? So doesn't matter, entire common data will come and match records from the C table, you will get it. Okay. So all the common data will be there, plus matched data from C side will come. Okay. So that result you will give it here. Again, you have a D table. So now what happens? Again, same. Common data, entire common data will come, plus already entire common data means match record already came. So like here what happens, only match records from D will come. Okay.
So execution will be like top to bottom, right?
Execution is top to bottom, no, like from top to bottom is correct, that one. Right.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Next, any other questions? Fine, done. So now I'm going to test it. So I'll ask a few people randomly. Okay, let's see how many of you can able to answer. I'll ask randomly. Okay, don't answer everybody. This is the image. This is the left table. Okay, let's imagine this is my left table. These are my so this is my right table. So there is a course ID, roll numbers. Now I want to understand when I do a inner join, okay, how many records will come? Prithvi, tell me Prithvi, when I do a inner join between, see roll number is the common column. Okay, this table, roll number is the common column. What all records will come in my output? Tell me.
So all matched records from left and right table will come, sir.
Everybody knows, sir. Tell me the matched record numbers.
1, 2, 3,
2, 3,
4, 5, 9, 10. 9 is not there, sir. 10 will also not come. 11 will also not come.
So
only
what
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, good. Okay, I think you understood. You are a little bit confident. Srija. So when I do a left join, what records I'll get? Srija, are you there in the class today? Joined or not? Sri Lakshmi. Sri Lakshmi, tell me when I do a left join, what records will come?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and remaining from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The course ID, roll number on the roll number. And 6, 7, 8.
Why 6, 7, 8 is coming?
Common plus remaining from the left.
Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the common records. 6, 7, 8 are the remaining records from the left table. So that's why you are getting like this. Yeah. Okay. See, I cannot identify who did not understand and all. You need to come out. Okay. Ganesh Naidu, tell me when I do a right join, what records will come? When I do a right join, what records will come, Ganesh? Ananya, tell me when I do a right join, what records will come?
1, 2, 3, 5, and 10, 11.
Huh?
1, 2, 4, 5, and
Okay.
9, 10, 11. Common plus right.
What about 3? What about 3?
What's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Common.
Okay,
9,
got
10,
it. Okay. So you are saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 9, 10, 11. Correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the common records. 9, 10, 11 are the only records available at the right side. So you'll get those things. Okay. So you got some knowledge, right, on the joins. That is very important. Okay. So website and all, you can't see. Some people will understand somebody explanation. Maybe I am giving training. So some 60 people or 100 people are there. 70 people may understand easily, 30 people may feel difficulty. When they go to another trainer, there they may feel very easy. So that's how like some minds will train. Okay, so they need to sync the voice and everything. That's why what I'm saying is don't stick to one website. You just go to this website. When you search for joins in SQL, you search all these websites. Wherever you are understanding, you stick to that and try to learn there. Maybe one concept is explained very nicely by this person, this website, W3 Schools. Another concept is explained by tutorial point very nicely. So you need to go through, don't stick to one person. See, trainer is not as somebody who came from somewhere else. I am also like you people. I learned something advanced. Okay, that's all. So I also will refer whatever documents you are referring. I also will refer same website, whatever you are referring. So don't think that I need to suggest something. Any website you are going and wherever you are understanding the things, that is a good website. Okay, just to go and search something. If you're not able to understand, let me know. So I also will try to explain in a different ways. Okay, clear, Rahul? Okay, fine. Now what we will do, let's move on. You understood, right? Relational database management system. What is relational database management system? It's okay. Next. So data in RDBMS is stored in a database objects called tables. In the database, we are going to store data in where? In files or tables?
Tables.
Tables, okay. So that's why we are going to store a data in RDBMS system in terms of the tables, okay, in the form of tables. A table is a collection of related data entries, rows, all customer one customer details is nothing but a one entry in the table. Okay, data entries, and it consists of a columns and rows. So columns means the CID, C name, C location are those columns. So when it comes to the rows, one customer ID, one customer details is nothing but a that is nothing but a one row. Fine. SQL important keywords. Okay. Select. Select is one of the keyword which is important to extract data from database table. Update data in a database. Suppose if you want to update any data in a table, we are using the update. Delete data from a database. If you want to delete any data, we use delete. Insert into table values for inserting the data into a table. Create database name to create a new database. Alter database name. If you want to change the database name, alter database, old database name and the new database name. You need to create table name and so on for creating a new table. Alter table. If you want to add a new column, if you want to change the data type of a column, anything alter table you can use. Drop table if you want to completely remove the table. Create index. Index, what is the index? Anybody have any idea? In SQL, what is index? Very simple. In the childhood, when we are studying, right, we have index page. Third lesson starts from this page. 10th lesson starts from this page. Why? Instead of scanning each page, we directly move to half pages. We will just go to the example, the lesson number 4 is starting from 30th page. You will at a time you'll go to 25 or 26, and from there you will just search quickly 30th. It will be quickly you can identify the 4th lesson from which page it is starting, right? So same index in a database also. In a table you have lot of data. While searching it takes a lot of time. To get the data quickly from the table, we need to create index on the table. To create index on table, we need to use a syntax called create index. If you want to remove the index, drop index. Clear? So these are enough very important keywords, each and everything. Okay, these all are commonly used keywords. Okay. Next up. So create a table in SQL Server. How to create table in SQL Server? Create table name, column name, data type, column name, data type, column name, data type. We already discussed. Int means if you want to store a numbers, any string text, if you want to store, it's a varchar. How many characters you want to store? Rama, how many characters are there in the name Rama? 4, right? So similarly, so your varchar of 50 means up to 50 characters you can store. If you think your text is little bit big, you can increase the length of this characters from varchar 50 to varchar 100, varchar 250, varchar max you can put. Max means up to 8,000 characters it will take. Okay. So how to insert records into table? Insert into custom table values or select statement. So sorry. Okay, see here. Select statement is to select data from database. Data returned is stored in a result table called result set. Select star from custom means whatever data you inserted just now, that will be displayed here. Clear? Next. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So these are customer details. So from this customer details, if I say select customer name, comma, city from customers, what happens? It will give you only 2 columns. Select star means all data will come. If you select particular columns, it will give you only those columns data. Here if you see customer underscore name and city only you are selecting, so it will just display those two columns only. Okay, next select star from customer means all four columns. Select distinct city from customer. So only city column and distinct. Distinct means what is meant by distinct? Unique. So when it is displaying the city column, it will check Delhi, Hyderabad. Delhi again repeated. It will remove the Delhi once because it need only unique cities. That's a distinct city means unique city, unique names from the city column. Okay, unique values from the city column. Distinct city means city is a column name. Distinct city means in the city column, distinct values I need, unique values I need. That is the meaning. Clear? These three is clear to all of you. Okay, moving on. Where clause. Where clause is used to filter the records. Okay. Where clause is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. Okay, first ID, first name, manager, city, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now select star from customer, meaning all the data it will give, out of which I am filtering where city equal to Pune. Tell me how many records will come?
One.
Only one record where city is Pune, because Pune is only one record is there, that's why Pune. If I say where city equal to Delhi, how many records I'll get?
2 records.
2.
2, because 2 are there, 1 and 3. Select star from customer where city not equal to Delhi, meaning other than Delhi. City not equal to Delhi means other than Delhi. How many are there other than Delhi? 2 and 4, Hyderabad and Pune. So 2 and 4, Hyderabad and Pune. Get it next. So end or not conditions we will see. Now let's say same table I have. Select star from customer where skill equal to Azure and city equal to Bangalore. End means what? Both the things must be true. Okay, both the things must be true when you consider a one row. When you look at for Thiru customer, skill is Azure, city is Bangalore. So one of the condition is not true. So that's why this record will not come into output. Skill is Azure we need, but it's a AWS. So first condition itself false. This record also will not come. Next, skill equal to Azure, city equal to and city equal to Bangalore. Yes, it is matching. City column is Bangalore, skill is Azure. So only this record, Krishna record will come. What about Sai? Skill is here showing Databricks. Databricks equal to Azure? No. So this fourth record also will not come. Only Krishna, Azure, Bangalore will come. Okay. End means both the condition must be true. What about R? R means, so you are saying skills equal to Azure or skills equal to AWS, meaning you say skills equal to Azure means this skill or skill equal to AWS, meaning people who are working in Azure and AWS come for the interview. I want to call, I can put R condition. If you have Azure or AWS skill, you come for interview. R means any one is fine. Okay, so that's why Azure AWS people came for the interview. Simple example. Where city not city equal to Pune means it's exactly equal to city not equal to Pune. City not equal to Pune means other than Pune records you will get it. Not city equal to Pune or city not equal to Pune, both are same meaning. Clear? Any questions? Next, group by. Yesterday we discussed group by already. Group by CID, CNAME, C location means I'll get a 1 Rama India, 1 Krishna USA, 2 Krishna USA, 2 Krishna USA. Okay, this we already discussed. So group by CNAME, C location means CNAME, C location means CNAME, C location. Rama India, one group, Krishna USA another group. That's all. Only you are grouping by CNAME and C location. Yesterday we discussed. Any doubts in this? Partition by or group by both are same. Partition by will be used with the select class and it will bring all the columns along with your aggregated results. But whereas group by it will be used after the table name. So when you use a group by, whatever columns you have in the group by, only those columns and aggregate result only displayed. Remaining columns will not come in your output. See, by CADC name C location will get same result. Partition by group by same. See, so group by I'm using how? Group by customer ID I'm putting here. This customer ID column must be there in the select class and aggregated result. But what about the partition by? You see here? So row number over partition by customer ID. So this partition by I'm using in the select class. Okay, partition by customer ID, order by order ID. And I'm generating some kind of a row number. What is this windowing functions we'll discuss. Okay. See, group by normally reduce the number of rows returned by rolling them up and calculating average or sums of each row. Partition by does not affect on the number of rows returned because it returns all the rows and all the columns. Order by. So let's say order by C name means, so it will just give you first Krishna, then Rama, because K will come first, then R will come, right? That's why Krishna records it just ordered, then Rama. Order by C name means orders the data. Now joins. See, first one is order table, second one is customer table. We just already discussed. Select star from orders, inner join with customers table on orders table customer ID equal to customers dot customer ID. When I do this, inner join, 2 is the matching record. So only that result will come in your output. Okay. See, if you do a left join, what happens? 2 is the common data, 37, 77 are the unmatched records. So in the result, you'll have a 2 which is matched. 37 and 77 only records which are available in the left table. Okay. So I hope you know right join and all remaining. Right join means 1 and 3 are the CO2 is matched record. 1 and 3 are the unmatched records with left table. Okay. Next. Select star from orders, full join with customers, and orders dot customer ID equal to customers dot customer ID. So full join means, so 2 is the matching record, 37, 77 are unmatched from left, 1 and 3 are unmatched from right. Okay, that's all. Cross join is something different. So let's say there are two tables with ID1 and ID2. Each record from left table will go and join with all the records in the right table, meaning one will go and join with 2, one will go and join with the 3. Similarly, 2 will go and join with 2, 2 will go and join with 3. See, that's way 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3. So you got total 4 rows, 4 total. Okay. So that's all. Now as we have some time, what I'll do, I'll just create, let me go to portal. Go to databases. We don't have any database. Let me create a database quickly. Try to do some SQL stuff, then we will move on. Okay. I know like we are using, but let's try to do some kind of a join stuff. Then we will go.
Hey, Malia, you told me yesterday when creating the database, just to remind you that around for the different type, right, standalone, elastic pools, and all those.
Yeah, correct. See here, computable storage. Here, I think you need to. Here you can see. So vCore based purchasing model you will have, DTO based purchasing model you will have. Okay. Here, if you see hyperscale on-demand scalable storage, it is not available for us. So in the vCore, you will get this hyperscale. So DTU means you are basically selecting the size of the database and DTUs. Here, general purpose, if you take, so basically you are telling whether you want a provisioned or serverless. Okay, so if you want serverless, they basically like see computer resources are auto scale build per second based on the vCores used. How many vCores you have used, how much time you have used, those things based on that. Provision means computer resources are pre-allocated, whether you are using or not using doesn't matter. Based on that, you will be charged. Okay, got it? So, but we are going with the DTU model. DTU model means database throughput. You can able to select and you can select the size of the database. Okay, this is what I was trying to tell you. Clear?
Yeah.
Now just click review plus create, then click create. Okay, meanwhile, we will create a table with these details so that we can directly check it. Okay, we're going to come here. Okay. So customer ID is also integer. Order date is the date. Okay. Now you need to insert these values into that table. Insert into orders. Values are. So these are the values. Okay. Next, comma. Just put this second table. You already know. I hope everybody know how to create tables. Okay. This is our first table we created now. Okay, orders table. Now I need to prepare the customer table. Create table customer ID int customer name varchar 100 contact name varchar 100 varchar 100 country also varchar 50. Okay, this is how I created the customer table. I'll insert these 3 records into that table. Okay, how to insert into customer values are 2. So then, so till here, this is the customer name, this is the reporting manager, okay, this is their country, okay, comma, okay. So this table also about ready, and this table is also almost ready. Now I'll open Data Studio. It will be easy for us to write the queries and all here. So database is ready. Go to database, turn on firewalls. Come down, add client type. Yellow agent services resources to access this server and save this. Go back, click on query. Oh, no, don't click on query. Take the server name. Put the server name here. Set SQL login. Enter username, password, then database name. This is the database name. Click on it. 5-10 minutes, okay? I'll not take more time. Now right click on this, click new query. So here, let's try to create these 2 tables which we try to create. So this is the order table. Customer.
In the customer table,
In the customer table,
The number 3, Mr. Maria, there is after.
that is it.
fine. So let's create this table first. Run this. We got proper data, okay? Similarly, here also. Let's see, yeah. So everything is fine now. Select the star from orders. Select star from customers. Customers. So both are good. Now we are able to see the data for these 2. Okay. Now I just talked about what is the left table. Whatever you are writing first, that will be left table. So I'm just thinking my left table is going to be order table. Inner join with which table? Customer table. Okay. On which condition? On which condition? Condition is orders table customer ID. Customer ID should match with customer table customer ID. Okay, so with this, let's try to display the data. See now, so this is the like left table, this is the right table. When you matched it, you are getting only the match record. You are getting only the match record. I'm not making any other change. I'll simply put left join here. Left means orders is the left table. Remaining record from the left table you are getting now. You see? Are you getting or not? Yes. When I do a right join, what I'll get? When I do a right join, what I'll get? 2 is the common, and 1 and 3 are the remaining records from the right table. So you are getting 1 and 3. Okay. Left join you understood. Now let's talk about a full join. See, full join means 2 is the common record, 37, 77 are only records available in left table, 1, 3 are the only records available in right table. Clear? And now left join again. In the left join, what you understood? 2 is the common record. 37 and 77 are the only records available in left table. But my requirement is, I know 37 and 77 are new records. 2 is the update record which is coming from the source. But 37 and 77 are not available in the target as of now. 37 and 77 are new records. I want to separate 37 and 77. How you can do? You need to filter out. You take any of this column. Okay, let's say customer name is the unique. I'll take a customer name where customer name is null. Now you filter out. So when you just filter out where customer ID is null, you are getting only these 37 and 77 which are available only in the left table, which are not a common. Now I don't want to select the right table columns. What you can do? You want to select only orders table columns. So here orders dot star you put. Orders dot star means you are selecting only order table columns. You are selecting only order table columns. How many of you clear on this?
So in that case, left join will not work, sir. Left join will not work, sir. In that case, orders dot star means.
Orders dot star means what? Orders dot star means you are taking only orders table, order table columns. Orders dot star means give me star. Star means all columns from order table. Don't give me any column from the customer table, because if you remember, when you put star, it is bringing both the table columns, right? So when you are taking both the table columns, what you understood? Right table columns, everything is a null. Why do you need these columns? You don't require. That's why I'm selecting only the columns from the order table where I have data.
Got it.
See, with the star, with the star, without with the star and with orders dot star, you see the difference. See, with orders dot star, it will give you only these 3 columns. But if you put star, these 3 columns and these remaining null columns also display. That's why I don't want these columns. Clear? Everybody's clear? Everybody's clear or not? Okay. So anyhow, we are here. I'll just quickly discuss one more thing and we can close the call for today. Okay. So this is how I am creating the employee table, and there is employee table data also. So table is created. Now let's quickly say select star from. Now can you quickly tell me highest salary from each department? What is the highest salary from each department? So first you need to do group by department. Why you need to do group by department? Because you want to know by department, meaning first you need to separate all the 10th department people one group, all 20th group people another group, all 30th group 30th department people one group. So total how many groups will come? 10 10, 2 records one group, 20 20 23 records second group, 30 that is only one record, that will create a one more group. Total 3 groups will be there. So as I mentioned one thing, when you say group by, this group by column must be there in the select clause. Along with that you need to have a aggregate function. What are the aggregate function? Minimum, maximum, min, max, sum, average, all those things. Now what I want, max salary from each department, max of employee salary column you put. So from after you group by, so 10 10 is there, one group. In this group employee salary 10,000 and 1500. So max of each salary out of 1000 and 1500 is 1500. So from that department it will bring like that. So from each department it will bring you, this is a 1500, this is a 5000, this is a 3000. You can also see whether this is correct values or not by looking at this. So here, so for 10th department 1500 is the max. Okay, whatever 20th max one is 5000, whatever 30 is the 3000. Now let's say the minimum salary is I want, not a max, the min salary, min you can put it. So minimum salary is 1000, 1700 and 3000. Let's say what sum of salaries, you need to good like 1000 and 1500, you need to sum 2500 for 10th department. I'm paying total payment is 2500. Like this you need to give. 1 second. So don't worry about it. Okay. Sometimes what happens, they'll ask, so because in interview people may ask something like this. So you sum the department salaries, give me the highest salary department. Okay, how you will say, now you need to order the order. Okay, sum of each salary you need to order by sum of each salaries. Order by you need to, sorry, order by. So when you order by, you see 2500, 3000 you're getting. So you do one thing, descending order you do it. Descending means highest salary to lowest salary. Okay. So when you do this, 8700 first, next 3000, next 2500. So now you need to display only first one. So you can see here top one. Top one only you just display. Just say that it will give you the highest one. Clear? Now let's say everybody is asking the second highest salary. Okay, so in a department, if you have a second highest salary, give it to me. If you don't have second highest salary, don't give it to me. Okay, now how to get the second highest salary? Same, select star from employees there, right? Now again here you need to do dense rank. You need to give dense rank over, first you partition by department, order by salary, e-salary, descending. So first you need to look at here, don't talk about dense rank, first you talk about this partition by department. How many groups it will create? How many groups it will create?
Three, sir.
Three
groups.
In the first group, 10 will be there. So there are 2 records. Out of these 2 records, so first, how you want to order this data, these 2 records, which record you need to keep it first, which record you need to keep it second. So order by salary descending. Descending means highest salary record must be there at the front, then lowest salary, meaning 3 Sai 1510 will be the first, next 1 Rama 1010 will be there at the second. Got it? It will be organized like this. You take all this table data. Okay, so in this first, when you just partition, so this will be a one partition, because partition by department, so this is one partition. In this order by salary descending means, so what you are saying is highest salary record must be there at the front, you are saying. Okay, so now you ordered like this. Okay, next. So for second group also same, like second group, can you tell me first which record will be there? Highest salary record will be there. Next highest salary record is this. Next will be this one. Next again employee ID, take this, put that here, and the third, this is the 30th one, you keep it here. Okay. Now dense rank means what it will do, it will check the salary and it will give you the rank. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, is 1, is the 2, is the 3, is the 1. It will give you like this. Okay, let's imagine for some reason these 2 people are having 5,000. What happens? How dense rank will give? What will be the second highest salary in this group? Tell me. In this case, what is the second highest salary?
1700.
1700.
Dense rank, what it will do in this case is dense rank will give 1, 1, because these 2 people are same. So dense rank next it will give 2 for this person. Got it? It will give you 2 for this person. Now to get a second highest salary, I need to filter out where dense rank equal to 2. So let me show you first. Okay, let me just display this as dr. See here, first group. So 10, 10 department 10, 10 is one group, 1500, 1000. Next 20th departments. So 5000 to 2700 added 1, 2, 3. So 3000 again is a 1. Okay. Now this is the result. You keep it in a temporary table. This is called a derived table. So in this derived table, I need to filter out derived table dot. So you need to filtering based on the dr, dense rank column, dense rank equal to 2. Wherever you have a 2, only display these records, because these are my second highest salaries. Okay, so here you need to select star from. So from this derived table, I want to do a select star from. Now you run it. DRV table, derived table.
Edge.
Missing, sorry.
Missing, sorry.
Yeah, correct. Where class is this? So now you see only this you are getting. Got it? So very important interview question is, what is the difference between rank and dense rank? Okay, give me 1 minute. Let me tell you something. 5,000 to 4,000. Run this. Okay, 6 rows are there. Now you see. Now I'm just taking inner query, whatever is there. Inner query I'm taking and I'm executing here. Now you see what will be the dense rank. So here I'm generating dense rank. Okay, here I'm generating dense rank over this. Instead of dense here, dense rank what happened? 1 1 5000 5000 1 1. So next value is 2. See, first you need to look at the same department. There are two people are having same salary 1 1. So next value is 2. But instead of dense rank, if you take a value of rank, so here instead of dense rank, there is one more function called rank. You say Rn. What happens if you take Rn? See Rn what it is doing 1. So for same department, rank is 1 1. Next is 3. But you will not be able to get second highest salary if you use a rank. What is the problem with rank is if two people are having same value, then one of the number it will skip. If three people are there with the same salary, then two numbers it will skip. Got it? Because it imagine rank will imagine this is a second salary. This is the second highest salary. This is the third highest salary. It will think, but the number it will give the just ranks will give. But internally, it will imagine the second highest salary, this is the third highest salary. Okay, that's why rank will skip number 113 it is giving, dense rank will give 112. That is the difference. You also have a one more thing, one more function. Okay, let me show you. Dense rank, this is rank, this is. We just to take one more thing called row number. What is that? Row number. What row number? It will simply doesn't put comma here. So row number doesn't matter. It is blind. So for first department 1 2, next department 1 2 3, next one. It will not look on any value. It will randomly, okay, for department 2 records are there 1 2. Department 20 there are 3 records 1 2 3. Department 3 1 record 1. So if you have 10 records 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 like that, row number simply blindly it will give numbering. Dense rank will give the same number if you have a same value. For the next number it will give you the next sequence number without skipping. Rank will skip the number. Clear? Okay, that's all required SQL part for tomorrow. So you just prepare this. It is very important whatever we discussed today. Clear?
Malia, here dense rank and rank is depending on the order thing, right?
Yes.
It is order part is mandatory.
Yes. Order part is very important. Without partition, you can execute it will work. But without order it will not work. Okay? Overall, doesn't matter in which department, salary is ordered and is given 1 1 2 3 4 5. So rank is 1 1, number is skipped 3 4 5 6. Rank is this row number is blind 1 2 3 4 5 6 it will be. Yes, tell me.
For second highest salary, without partitioning.
Without partitioning also you can get it. See here, this is the second highest salary. Dense rank you filter out where row number equal to 2 without partition. Okay.
Okay.
Not by department, on overall table who is the second highest salary, who is having, you can get it.
Sir, can you go to the derived table, sir? Go up, sir, once. Here, in line number 33, sir. At the end, you have not mentioned as for the derived table wise.
As is not required. See, even here also in the joins also you can use the alias names. Okay, A, and this is a B, and you can use A dot customer ID equal to B dot customer ID. This also will work. Okay, you can also use as A, as B. This also will work.
Okay, sir. If you give or if you not give, both will work, no, sir?
Here As is works or not, I never tried as. Yeah, it's working with as also, without as also. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Okay. Okay, then if no questions, thank you all. Thank you.